How to add a photo on a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your CapCut application. Now from this edit page, tap a new project. After that, you have to choose the video where you would like to add a photo to. So select your desired video from your gallery in your device. Then tap on add. That will take you to the edit page. Now, to add a photo on this video, what you have to do is navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, then tap on overlay. Then tap on add overlay. Then you have to choose a photo that you would like to add on that video. Then select your photo, then tap on add. There you can see the photo has been added. Now you have to resize this photo as you want with the help of your fingertip on the screen. Once you minimize your photo, now you can keep it wherever you like on any position. Now you can manage the timeline to this photo as well. From this timeline at the bottom of this interface, you can simply drag the timeline and make it same as the video. Now if you play this video, the photo has been added to your video. After you're done, you can simply tap on export and then this video will be saved to your gallery. So that's how you can add a photo on a video in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.